Looking good isn't just about wearing the right outfit or doing some 3-step skincare routine. It's about knowing the quiet tricks, the stuff models and grooming insiders actually use but never talk about. Not those TikTok hacks, not those clickbait YouTube lists. These are the gatekept secrets that actually change how you look. So if you've ever thought, I'm doing everything right, why don't I look like that guy? This is what you're missing. Number 1. The lip trick. When you talk, people subconsciously stare at your lips. If they're cracked, dull, or discolored, you've already lost points. Fix this with apple cider vinegar. It exfoliates, restores pH, and boosts natural color. Number 2. The raw garlic shot. Raw garlic has a compound called allicin. It clears skin, kills acne-causing bacteria, detoxes your liver, and even supports testosterone. Number 3. Oil soak for hair that looks rich. There's a reason models have that expensive hair texture. They oil soak. A 2015 study found rosemary oil works just as well as minoxidil. Yes, the hair regrowth drug. Here's how. Massage into your scalp. Leave for 30 minutes to overnight. Wash with sulfate-free shampoo. You'll see less shedding, better texture, and a natural shine. Number 4. Model hands. Hands tell people if you take care of yourself. Here's the elite routine. Moisturize daily. Trim nails, shape them, push cuticles back. Once a week, sugar or coffee scrub. Use transparent nail polish. Yes, seriously, you'll look cleaner, sharper, more high value. Number 5. Ice rolling. Ice rolling depuffs your face, sculpts your jaw, and boosts circulation. Models use it before shoots. Do it after cleansing, before moisturizing. Number 6. Scent strategy. Start by moisturizing where you'll spray. Layer 2 light scents that complement each other. Focus on pulse points, neck and wrists. You'll leave behind a scent trail, the kind people remember. You don't need perfect genes to look like you've got it together. You need discipline, details, and the right kind of secrets. The ones no one's telling you, until now. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.